road racer. The cheeky monsters that I know are never far away. And when I'm full of beans, there's one who always comes to play. Rocky is the best at sports, and he loves to cheer me on. With him I can do anything, and days are full of fun. Hiya, Rocky says, as we bounce on our trampoline. Now I'm the fastest superhero ever to be seen. So one time on a journey that was going on forever, Rocky grinned and said, "Come on, I'll show you something clever." We drove into a tunnel. Everything went black. Then roar! We zoomed, then skidded out onto a racing track. "Contestants to the start line," Rocky said. "It's time to race." And speeding in came Glitter, Spike, then Violet, giving chase. "Someone's missing," Rocky said. But suddenly, up high, we spotted Drago, loop-the-looping, way up in the sky. She shouted down, "Do you think that I could race in my aeroplane?" "You can," Rocky replied. "Look, I've designed a flying lane." He carefully opened up his map and pointed out the route. "Watch out for the roadworks and the slippery water chute." "Drago, you go through the hoops," he said, "and we're below. Start your engines, everyone. Ready, steady, go!" And with a vroom, we got off to a rip-roaring good start. Rocky was soon in the lead. His time was off the chart. "Stop!" called Violet. "Rocky should repeat the second lap. I saw him take a shortcut that was crossed out on the map." We'd only just begun again when Glitter was in trouble. He crashed into a ramp, and help was needed at the double. Everybody worked together. Soon we had a plan, and Glitter's car was fixed, thanks to the cheeky monster gang. We zoomed around the track once more. Look, there's the finishing line. I crossed my fingers, hoping that a medal would be mine. Rocky came in first, and yippee! I got second place. But everyone won something in the cheeky monster race. Later, as we rested, now the day was at an end, I dreamt of more adventures with my cheeky monster friends.
We're all cheeky monsters!
Drago, super scientist. I've got these cheeky monster friends who love to hide from me. But when I'm buzzing with ideas, there's one I'm sure to see. Cheeky monster Drago always helps me find out more. We question everything as our imaginations soar. "What does this do?" she says to me. "And why does this do that?" Now wind it up, away we go. Watch out! Oh no! Splat! So one time we were busy on a special rocket mission when Drago said, "We'll need help for a plan of this ambition." She knocked on my shed door. I couldn't believe what we then found. A science lab with cheeky monster scientists all around. Now listen very carefully, cheeky monster gang. "We found the things we need," said Drago, opening up the plan. "Violet, you're cutting. Rocky, you're sticking. Spike, you'll paint the base. Glitter, we'll glitter. And then we'll launch our rocket into space." We got to work and soon the rocket started taking shape. Though Rocky did need help when he got stuck with sticky tape. Spike mixed up the colours and then painted with such flair. And Glitter added sparkle, spreading glitter everywhere. "Let's move outside. It's launch time," Drago said excitedly. We rolled the rocket out. Could it be ready? Finally! One last thing, said Drago, adding water to the tank. And then we heaved it up onto the launch pad with a clank. Stand back, Drago shouted. Cheeky monsters, let's count down. Drago worked up the pump. The rocket made a roaring sound. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. I really hope that it would fly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and wow! It launched into the sky. I gazed up at our rocket, whispering, Drago, you're the best. And then we dreamt of stars that we might find on our space quest.
We're on Cheeky Monsters.
Glitter, disco dancer. I've got these cheeky monster friends who love to hide away. But if I'm ever feeling sad, look who comes to play. Cheeky monster Glitter always makes me want to giggle. Spreading sparkle everywhere, we do the glitter wiggle. Glitter, glitter, all around, he says. Now come along, a sprinkle here, a sprinkle there. You simply can't go wrong. So one day, Glitter tumbled in and said, Stop feeling blue, step this way. I've got a plan. We'll try on something new. He led me through Mum's wardrobe, and then suddenly... Wait! Whoa! We toppled out together into Glitter's studio. It's showtime. Glitter clicked his fingers, sparkle filled the air. And pop! Now all around us, cheeky monsters everywhere. Then Glitter said, let's get creative. Cheeky monster team. Our fashion show needs outfits and a fabulous show theme. First, cheeky monster Violet found a purple frilly dress. But Rocky accidentally tripped and made a massive mess. Ingenious, Glitter said, and quickety-quick he styled for me. A feather-themed creation then stood back for us to see. Do you like it? Drago asked. Achoo! I said. It's rather sneezy. I've got it! We need stripes, Glitter announced. This will be easy. We all searched high and low, and then Spike said, Is this too much? Delicious, Glitter said. I'll just add one small finishing touch. Ooh, piratey, I laughed. But can you give it one more go? I've got it, Glitter said. We'll do a Disco Diva show. Soon everyone was ready, and we all looked disco-tastic. We practiced our dance moves, and some were really quite gymnastic. Sparkle filled the catwalk as we danced along and sang. Go glitter, and the cheeky monster gang. After, it was time for tea. It all felt like a dream. I so love my friend Glitter and his super fashion team.
We're on Cheeky Monsters.
Violet Superstar. The cheeky monsters in my house love to hide away. Then when I least expect it, surprise! They're here to play. Cheeky monster Violet is the leader of the gang. If ever I am stuck, she knows exactly what to plan. Stretch up high and shake it out, she says. Now deep breath in. A little dance will sort you out. You try. It's time to spin. So one day, when I couldn't find a single thing to do, Violet said, just close your eyes. Imagine something new. The lights flashed on. I looked around And what a sight to see! There was Violet Superstar waving down at me. Violet said, "We'll need some help for this spectacular show." She waved her wand and... wow! More friends jumped out to say hello. I'm Rocky. Drago. My name's Spike. Glitter's here to play. Now tell me, Glitter said, what costume would you like today? Violet taught us all the steps. Check out this cool dance move. Some were really tricky, but we each found our own groove. Then for the grand finale, Violet said, now sing along. Let's make some noise together. It's the Cheeky Monster song. With Rocky on drums, boom, bang! Glitter on bass, durnt! Go Drago on guitar, twang! Spike rocks the tambourine, jingle jangle! Alongside Violet Superstar. What fun we'd had! But then I saw the great big mess we made. I thought I'd be in trouble, but the Cheeky Monsters stayed. In no time we had tidied up, and it was time to go. I hope they'll come back very soon to do another show.
We're all Cheeky Monsters.
Spike, expert explorer. The cheeky monsters that I know often hide from me. But when I need some chill-out time, there's one I hope to see. When Cheeky Monster Spike comes round, we happily daydream and chat about the things we love, like keeping our earth green. Good idea, Spike tells me. There's so much that we can do. Let's make a scrapbook of our plans and perhaps some posters too. So one time at the park, I spied Spike rummaging about. Naughty litterbugs, I said, and started helping out. We called, please come and join us. Cheeky monsters all around. Help keep our planet clean and clear this litter from the ground. Spinning in came Violet. She had heard our calls for aid. Then Drago, Rocky and Glitter joined our tidy-up parade. Thanks, that's better, Spike exclaimed. Explorers, follow me. Along the winding path we go. What new things will we see? Through swishy grass, across a stream, we started to explore. We spotted buzzing bugs and plants we'd never seen before. Then Spike said, Cheeky monsters, help is in need at the double. I can see more litter and a ladybird in trouble. We hurried to the scene and quickly came up with a plan to help her escape. Thanks so much, Cheeky Monster Gang. That was close, said Violet. Is there something we can do to stop the littering of our park and help our bug friends too? That's it, Spike cried. He gave us each a list of things to find. Like bricks and sticks and moss, we wondered what he had in mind. We stacked everything up. And wow! Check out what we had done! We'd made an awesome bug hotel with room for everyone. I pinned up lots of posters to help keep our park space clean. Then it was time to party for the Cheeky Monster team. Later, I felt happy. We had helped in our own way. I hope that Spike Expert Explorer calls another day.
We're all Cheeky Monsters.
Thanks for watching, Cheeky Monsters. If you want to hear some more cheeky stories, then check out our page and click subscribe.